Yes children, we are discussing about different types of plants. In first class we have learned about climber and creepers. Isn't it children? In second class we have learned about herb and shrubs. What we have learned? Herbs and shrubs. Today we are going to discuss another two types of the plants. Okay, what are they named? Tree and grass. Trees and grass. Yes. Now tell me how trees will be, children? This much only? Or this much? This much? No. Then how trees will be? Trees will be very long. Isn't it, children? See here. You know coconut tree? Yes. How it will be? Very long trunk. What we call the stem of the tree? The stem of the tree we call as a trunk. What we call? Don't forget. The stem of the tree we call it as a trunk. Mango tree. Yes, it will be somewhat fat like this, but its stem, what we call it as trunk, and the plant will be like this. Yes or no? With branches. Like this. And this is the coconut tree. We call it as a tree with the leaves. And we have here coconuts. So, trees means their trunk is very big. The trunks are very big while compared to the grass. Now tell me how grass will be, children? This one, you know. Did you see the grass at a time? Yes. It is very or somewhat like this. Close to the ground. Very green in color and their stems are weak but smooth, soft. Stems are weak and soft. They are very close to the ground. Sometimes these grass may look as a herbs also. When we study in the herbs class, herbs also very close to the ground. Isn't it, children? Grass also near to the ground, the surface very close to the ground. But in grasses we can see some grass plants also somewhat long. See here, the stem may be woody stems and they have single leaves. What we call? They have single leaves, no branches. When compared to the trees have many branches. But this plant we call it as a bamboo tree. Do you know bamboo tree, children? What do we get from bamboo? Bamboo sticks. Isn't it, children? And you know about sugarcane? Yes, sugarcane also very strongly it will be, but it have single leaves. This one also type of a grass plant only. Okay, children? Examples of grasses are bamboo tree, sugarcane. And examples of the trees are all big trees. What we call this term? This term we call as a trunk. And these trees have many branches. Apple tree, mango tree. Yes or no? Again some plants we know. What are they, children? Yes, neem tree. All these are the trees with big trunk. So the other trees, other two types of the plants are trees and grass. Okay children, this is the other class. If sugar is a tree or a grass, children, sugarcane is a tree or a grass? Yes, sugarcane is also a grass. Why? Why? Because sugarcane is a grass because it has no branches and have thin and long leaves. It has thin and long leaves. All the grasses which have tree type plants, they have long leaves. Okay children, it looks more like a bamboo stick. It looks like a bamboo stick. See here, this is the bamboo stick. It also will be like this lines from here and the leaves will be like this. For the bamboo. Okay children, these are the other two types of the plants. Yes children, now open your textbook page number 43. Keep finger. Trees. Trees are tall and big plants. They have a thick brown and woody stem. What we call them children? We told in the classroom we call it as a trunk. They have many branches coming out of the thick trunk. You can see some examples here. Neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree. Next, grasses. Grasses are the most common type of plants seen around us. They can be as small as a lawn grass and as big as a bamboo plant. Okay children, down you have some examples. See here, lawn grass, rice, maize. Examples of trees, people, banana, apricot, peach. Grass, rice, wheat, maize and bamboo. Yes, now open your volume children. Page number 63, write the date. Trees and grasses. See the first one. What makes tree different from all other types of plant? You want to write the difference between tree and other types of the plant. See the second one. Circle the grasses. Why do you think they are grass? Here you have given 4 pictures A, B, C, D. 4 pictures you have here. Among that 4 pictures, which is grass? You want to circle it and you want to write the reason. Why do you think so? Okay. See the third one. Can grass be as tall as tree? If yes, give example. Yes, we have learned that some grasses will be as a tree. Yes or no? You want to write the examples.